Well, today I want to talk about tofu. I have made peace with tofu. That's a big thing to say, but those of you who know me, the Frenchy foodie that I am, I didn't used to like tofu. I didn't like to eat it. I didn't like to cook it. I thought it was bland. I didn't like the texture. Well, I've completely turned around on my opinion about tofu since I figured out a way to cook it so that it's crispy on the outside, creamy on the inside. And now I can replace most of my chicken dishes with this technique. So today I'm just going to show you what it is that I do that makes it crispy and delicious and really amazing. And then really take the flavor of the sauces that I used to make for my chicken. So, are you ready? So, first things first. Typically, a tofu comes into a bag that has a lot of liquid in it. So first things first is you take it out of that liquid. And the first thing we're going to do is put it inside of a fresh towel and wrap it, just like that. Okay, then put it on a plate and press down on it. Press down on it, press down on it, boom, 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 press down on it. Okay. Then I'm going to cut it into regular slices, not too thin, like that. And flatten it out. And cover it again with a towel. Again, press down a little bit and let it dry. Then, let me push this aside. On a flat surface, put some cornstarch. So don't worry about the exact amount. Let's say 2 tablespoons. And we put our tofu on top of that. Before we turn it around, we're going to season it with a little salt. I'll give you the exact amount, if you'd like, on Cuisinicity. And some garlic powder. Notice how dry it looks already. Okay? Then we're going to turn it around. And do the same thing. A little bit of salt. Just make sure it's nicely covered with the cornstarch. That's it. I'm going to turn on my pan. I'm going to take a little olive oil and drizzle maybe 2 teaspoons at most. 1 and 2. Let it get nice and hot now. You see how beautifully coated it is? And it's nice and dry. I'm going to put it on there. I'd like to hear it sizzle. It's not sizzling yet, so I'm going to wait a couple minutes. See, it's starting to sizzle now. Don't touch it. You're only going to turn it one time. So let it be so that there's that nice gold coating, crisp coating on one side. Look how nice. You can tell it's starting to get nice and crisp on the one side. I haven't touched it yet. I'm going to show you. Still a little too early. I have to be more patient. Okay, about 5 minutes. So let's see how this one looks. How did you turn? Ah, that's better. Ooh, yes. No, oh, nice, 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 nice. And look at that. And do the same for all the sides. And this guy, I'm going to do again. Let it crisp up. And you see, I want you to see something. You see how beautiful that creaminess is there, and then there's this layer of crispy, and there's going to be one underneath. That's what you want. And that's it. That's it. Turn off the stove and look at these beauties. Look at these beauties. Let me show you the other side. It's beautiful. And I'm going to have a... See, crispy on the outside, but very creamy on the inside. And there we go. I made peace with them. I told you I would. Bon appétit.